Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and tool lovers. Have you ever found yourself with a sore wrist after assembling furniture or hanging countless picture frames? Are you tired of manually driving screws when there's a better way? Maybe you're wondering which electric screwdriver actually delivers on its promises without breaking the bank. Well, you're in luck, because today we're counting down the top 7 electric screwdrivers on the market in 2025. I've personally tested each of these models extensively in real-world conditions to bring you the most comprehensive guide possible. Let's dive in and find the perfect power tool to make your projects faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Number 7. SKIL Twist 2.0 Rechargeable. Starting our countdown at number 7 is the SKIL Twist 2.0 Rechargeable 4-volt screwdriver. When I first unboxed this tool, I was immediately drawn to its unique pivoting head design, which allows you to adjust the angle to 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees positions. This feature is genuinely helpful when working in tight spaces or awkward angles, and I found it particularly useful when installing cabinet hardware in my kitchen renovation project. The SKIL Twist 2.0 offers 3 torque settings, which gives you some control over the power output depending on your task. During my testing, I used it for assembling furniture, installing light switch covers, and other light-duty tasks around the house. The 220 RPM speed isn't the fastest on our list, and I noticed it took significantly longer to drive screws compared to some of the higher-ranked options. When working on a project with dozens of screws, this slower speed became somewhat frustrating. One feature I appreciated was the built-in LED light that illuminates your work area and stays on for about 10 seconds after you release the button. This proved invaluable when I was working inside cabinets or in poorly lit areas of my workshop. The tool also includes a lock button at the base that prevents accidental activation during transport, which is a thoughtful touch that some competitors lack. The USB-C charging is convenient, and SKIL claims the internal 4-volt lithium-ion battery delivers 22 pounds of torque. However, I found that it struggled with larger screws, especially when driving directly into wood without pre-drilling. Number 6. Worx WX240L. Coming in at number 6 on our list is the Worx WX240L 4-volt cordless screwdriver. This compact tool features 3 digital torque settings, 22, 33, and 44 pounds, which gives you more control than the SKIL model. During my testing, I appreciated having these distinct power levels, especially when working on more delicate projects like assembling electronics or tightening cabinet hardware where over-torquing could cause damage. The Worx screwdriver has a maximum speed of 300 RPM, which is noticeably faster than the SKIL Twist 2.0. This higher speed made a significant difference when I was assembling a flat-pack bookshelf with dozens of screws. The tool handled most of the small to medium-sized fasteners without issue, though I did notice it struggled a bit with larger screws going into hardwood, requiring pre-drilling for best results. One feature that stands out is the dual LED lights on the front of the tool, which provide better illumination than single light designs. The rubber overmolding on the handle offers a comfortable grip, and at just 1.5 pounds, it's lightweight enough for extended use. The internal 1.5 amp-hour battery provides about 45 minutes of continuous use, which was sufficient for most of my testing projects, and it recharges in about 1.5 hours via the included USB-C cable. However, I did encounter some frustrations with the Worx WX240L during my testing. The magnetic bit holder doesn't lock the bits in place, which resulted in bits occasionally staying stuck in screw heads when I pulled the tool away. This became particularly annoying when working overhead or in tight spaces where dropped bits were difficult to retrieve. 5. CRAFTSMAN CMHT66718 B20. Moving up to number 5, we have the CRAFTSMAN CMHT6678 B20 4-vet electric screwdriver. This tool strikes an excellent balance between size and functionality, making it a versatile addition to any toolbox. During my testing, I was impressed by its compact design, measuring just 40 millimeters in length, which allowed me to access tight spaces that larger screwdrivers simply couldn't reach. The CRAFTSMAN delivers a no-load speed of 300 RPM, which I found to be quite efficient for most household tasks. When I used it to install several light fixtures throughout my home, it drove screws about 4 times faster than a manual screwdriver, significantly reducing the time and effort required. The integrated 4-volt max lithium-ion battery provided consistent power throughout my testing, and I was able to complete multiple projects without needing to recharge. One feature that really stands out is the quick change locking collet, which securely holds bits in place during use. Unlike the Worx model, I never experienced bits getting stuck in screw heads or falling out at inopportune moments. The single push-button operation is intuitive and easy to use, making this tool accessible even for those who aren't particularly tool-savvy. I also appreciated the built-in LED light, which automatically activates when the screwdriver is in use, providing clear visibility in dark corners and cabinets. The CRAFTSMAN comes with an impressive set of 18 different 1-inch screwdriver bits, covering virtually every type of screw you might encounter in typical household projects. During my testing, I used Phillips bits for assembling furniture, Torx bits for electronics repair, and hex bits for bicycle maintenance, all with excellent results. Number 4. HOTO electric screwdriver. Taking the 4th spot on our list is the HOTO 3.6 volts electric screwdriver. This tool immediately caught my attention with its sleek, minimalist aluminum alloy design that looks more like a premium tech gadget than a traditional power tool. But don't let the stylish appearance fool you. This screwdriver packs serious performance under its elegant exterior. During my testing, the HOTO impressed me with its powerful 5 Nm, 44 Ib torque output, and 220 RPM speed. When I used it to assemble a complex desk with dozens of fasteners, it handled everything from small screws in pre-drilled holes to larger fasteners going into solid wood. The motor is surprisingly powerful for such a compact tool, and I found it could drive up to 200 screws on a single charge, making it perfect for larger projects where battery life is a concern. One of the standout features is the 3-level torque adjustment, which gives you precise control over the power output. I found this particularly useful when working with different materials, using the lowest setting for delicate electronics and plastic components, and the highest setting for more demanding applications like furniture assembly. The USB Type-C fast charging is another welcome feature, allowing the tool to fully recharge in just 1.5 hours. The HOTO includes 12 high-precision S2 steel bits that cover most common screw types. During my testing, I used these bits for everything from assembling furniture to repairing appliances, and they maintained their shape without stripping or wearing down. 3. Dremel HSES-01. Climbing to number 3 on our list is the Dremel HSE-01 electric screwdriver, also known as the iDriver. This innovative tool brings Dremel's renowned quality to the electric screwdriver market, and after extensive testing, I can confidently say it delivers on its promises. The first thing I noticed was its compact yet substantial feel. At 7 inches long, it's perfectly sized for both precision work and more demanding applications. The Dremel HSES-01 features a 4-volt max rechargeable lithium-ion battery that powers its impressive motor. During my testing, I found it drives screws twice as fast as many comparable electric screwdrivers, significantly reducing the time required for assembly projects. When I used it to put together a large entertainment center, the efficiency was immediately apparent, allowing me to complete the project in about half the time it would have taken with lower-powered options. What truly sets this tool apart is its unique 6-position clutch, which provides unprecedented control over torque output. I tested each setting on different materials and found that this feature allowed me to drive screws perfectly flush every time without damaging the material or stripping the screw heads. The Smart Stop technology is another game changer. It automatically detects when the bit isn't properly seated in the screw head and cuts power to prevent damage. During my testing, this feature saved me from stripping several screw heads when working at awkward angles. Number 2. DEWALT DWHT66719. Taking the silver medal at number 2 is the DEWALT DWHT66719 Flex Drive Cordless Screwdriver. As someone who has used DEWALT tools professionally for years, I had high expectations for this model, and I'm pleased to report that it exceeded them in nearly every way. This tool combines professional-grade performance with thoughtful design features that make it a joy to use. The DEWALT Flex Drive delivers impressive power with a top speed of 360 RPM and up to 44 impounds of torque. During my testing, this translated to exceptional performance across a wide range of applications. When I used it to install cabinet hardware throughout my kitchen renovation, it effortlessly drove screws into solid wood without pre-drilling smaller holes. The 6 torque modes on the base of the tool provide precise control, allowing me to adjust the power output based on the material and fastener size. One feature that particularly impressed me was the secure collet system, which is similar to what you'd find on an impact driver rather than a simple magnetic bit holder. This design allows for one-handed bit insertion and removal while ensuring that bits stay firmly in place during use. When I was working on a ladder installing ceiling fixtures, this secure bit retention gave me confidence that I wouldn't drop bits or lose them in hard-to-reach places, a significant advantage over lower-ranked models. The DEWALT's front features 4 LED lights surrounding the collet, providing shadow-free illumination of the work area. This lighting system is noticeably superior to the single or dual LED setups found on other models, making it much easier to work in dark spaces or see small screws clearly. Number 1. Fanttik S1 Pro. Claiming the top spot on our list is the exceptional Fanttik S1 Pro electric screwdriver. After extensive testing across dozens of applications, I can confidently say this is the most impressive electric screwdriver I've ever used. The S1 Pro combines innovative design, premium materials, and outstanding performance in a package that sets a new standard for what an electric screwdriver can be. The Fanttik S1 Pro features a powerful motor that delivers an impressive 4.2 nm, 37 impounds of torque, which proved more than sufficient for virtually every application I tested. When I used it to assemble multiple pieces of furniture, install shelving, and even work on my car's interior panels, it handled everything with ease. The 3 adjustable torque settings provide precise control, allowing me to work confidently with delicate electronics and more robust materials without damaging either the fasteners or the workpieces. What truly sets the S1 Pro apart is its ingenious design and storage solution. The screwdriver comes in a sleek aluminum case with a magnetic lid that houses both the tool and a comprehensive set of bits. When you press the center of the case, the screwdriver elegantly rises up for easy access, a feature that never failed to impress friends who saw it in action. The bits are stored in a magnetic tray that pops up similarly, keeping everything organized and readily accessible. This thoughtful design eliminated the frustration of searching for the right bit that I experienced with many other models. Final thought. So there you have it, the definitive ranking of the best electric screwdrivers available in 2025. Whether you're a casual DIYer or a serious hobbyist, investing in a quality electric screwdriver will save you time, reduce fatigue, and make your projects more enjoyable. The Fanttik S1 Pro stands as our clear winner, but each of these tools has its strengths and could be the right choice depending on your specific needs and budget. Happy screwdriving!